Lesson 21 Spelling Alternatives. Introduce all, spell A-L, A-U, and A-W. Let's learn. What are our learning goals? I can read words with A, spell A, A-U, and A-W. I can complete fill-in-the-blank sentences with the words containing these features. I can read inventory with purpose and understanding. I can answer questions about key details in the text. Let's focus on skills. Reviewing sound spellings. Let's play a game of I Spy. With individual code charts, I will begin. I Spy is spelling for E, the sound E. Who can find a spelling for E? In your code book, if you found a sound like the letter Y, or you went to the E and found any of those spellings on that line, you are correct. So let's look in our code flip book at the sound ah. Remember that in Unit 3 you learned several ways to spell ah sound, the ah sound. Today you will learn an additional spelling for ah, spelled A-L. If you saw this spelling in a word, what sound would you say? If you said ah, you're correct. If not, remember we're not going to separate it and go ah, ooh. Sometimes when you see A-L together in a word, it is pronounced ah. When you see the letters A-L, you should recognize these letters are working together as a digraph or letter team and say the sound ah. Let's read the words on the slide. All, ball, tall, call, talk, always, walnut, install. So in our flip book, we're going to recognize the AL says ah as in wall. So therefore we're going to trace it green and then trace the letters A-L. What sound does A-L make? Ah, ah, as in wall. Our power bar tells us that it is kind of coming. It does not stretch all the way across the card. It means there are other spellings for this sound. On our R tree, we will add more words like walrus, which has our our AL, which is pronounced ah. So walrus. We can also add walnut. So we got walnut. Now we will go to activity page 21.1, where you will show that you can tell the difference between the spellings of the different ah sounds. So we will complete the words in a box as a class, and then you'll complete the remainder of activity 21.1 independently. You may go to the next, I'll read the words in the box, and then you can go to the next slide to check your results. So we got salty, caught, dawn, wallpaper, boss, always, almanac, walrus.